What's good? Come is tá?
I'm alright, come start to hang. In scale at.
Thomas just to race filla of Peru actually, so Thomas just a while yeah.
Will to Ray, yeah. Thomas you're on BLOC with the Ampiri on odds a dhéanamh which Ayahuasca is here on a dahu lei seo Peru. Agus tá an agwing chun a bheith anseo chun an over seo dhéanamh. Leathanaigh, would you right?
Yeah, es chiric sanango. Se toma sus raíces, una medicina muy fuerte. Y como es raíz, te da raíces en la tierra, te da base, te da base fuerte para que aprenda la medicina. Eso cuando se toma, te marea, como la ayahuasca tiene visiones, a veces se toma un poquito, es bueno para reumatismo, inflamación, artrosis, todo, dolor de cuerpo, dolores, frío, saca todo frío, te hace sudar una noche, tienes que bañar en agua fría. Eso es chiric sanango.
Tá sé ar siúl, yeah, tá sé ar siúl. So tá muid an seo chun obair a dhéanamh ar muideanna féin. Sin é. Sláinte. Sláinte.
Warmecito con tan, yoga cuerpocito tan, nine, 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 nine. Derecha da derecha da derecha da nine, 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 nine. Desde banco ya cosito tan, chiri munga.
You make a mistake and the punishing voice that's inside you, the one that doesn't like you, you know, and just like letting go of that and just pushing that out and just being like, just accepting yourself really, and then also just really feeling into your own body, really reconnecting with your own body. We spend so much time here and here to like have the time and have the opportunity to spend some time with yourself and think about your life and really smile about your life, you know.
Wasn't really getting over anything, it was more just feeling one with myself and just feeling grounded, and being surrounded by people you love is a real benefit of that as well, because then it brings everyone closer together and it's a real good group dynamic as well.
It's the sense of release after. I just cried and I just sat outside the Maloka and I knew for the first time in my life what they felt. I knew the demon of addiction that had raped and pillaged their bodies for their whole lives and just never allowed them to bear fruit in their lives in any full way. And I just spoke to my dad and I just said, Dad, it's okay, I know. Sin lethar tar éis sé sa maidin ar an lá déarnach agus just bhí am do creide aghaing. Fálamid a lán faoi gachrod, faoi ar héal féin, faoi na medicína tám ansásta agus tám anródúil as an lads, Greg agus Ken. Buan tanmh us an green. Peace. So cadmil tú ag déanamh an ucht?
Tá ma críochtnú suas go luanach ceapan agus beidir do bháile le airhuirt de chum na man.
Áling. Well, chuir méid léigeirt níos daoine,
Okay, slán, gramar.